color scheme of this design, which pays homage to the Chicago White Sox, is reminiscent of the team's traditional colors. With accents of black and silver that honor the White Sox's famous jerseys, the upper portion of the shoe is mostly decorated in a pure, crisp white. The Air Max 270's iconic Big Air unit in the heel provides unparalleled comfort and cushioning, making it both a stylish statement piece and a very practical shoe for daily use. With each stride, Nike has made it possible for supporters of the company and the sport to show their loyalty. Additionally, the partnership between Nike and the Chicago White Sox gives this sneaker a deeper cultural meaning because, in big cities like Chicago, baseball and urban fashion frequently coexist. The Air Max 270 Chicago White Sox appeals to a wide range of consumers, from ardent sports fans to streetwear connoisseurs, by skillfully fusing athletic design with street-style flair. SRP is $160.